If you want to change the language in EA Sports FC 26 game, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change language using a controller. Run the game, navigate to the top left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon. In the settings menu, find and select game settings. Do not press the X button yet, just highlight game settings. Use the right analog stick on your controller to scroll through the options until you see language. Once you see the language option, press the X button once. Use the right analog stick to select your desired language. After selecting the language, press the X button to confirm. If prompted with a confirmation message, press the X button again to finalize the change. Method 2. Change language using a keyboard. Navigate to game settings. Use the arrow keys to navigate to game settings. Highlight game settings and press the enter key. Use the number keys 4 or 6 to scroll through the options until you see language. Once you see the language option, press the enter key. Use the left or right arrow keys to select your desired language. After selecting the language, press the enter key to confirm. If prompted with a confirmation message, click on OK. And there you have it, the methods to change the language in EA Sports FC 26 game. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.